Right now in a real river village. Marcus Garvey, Earth Strong Immigration. U.N.I.A welcome. Ooh. Nature! Welcome on stage. Nature! Rastafari.
I want to give thanks unto the Most High who have created all things. Big respect to the trees that provide food, clothing and shelter. Respect to the ants them, my role model. And some teachers for live in unity. Give thanks on the Most High. Music! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn up the rhythm. Time for justice, nature said. When I sing, I don't sing for hype, I sing for the Most High. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Time for justice there. Where what we fighting for? Where some press nobody's. Hey, where that's what I'm chanting for. Hey, where I really want the violence. Can you turn the mic, please? Yeah. Down there in Nigeria, down there in South Africa, Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa. I'm just going to Jamaica with a PNP or JLBL. Rather Christian or Rastaman Muslim. Hey, that love set us free. Hey, where little piece of my story. Can you try to bring please, my brother? Story. Piece of my life. Piece of my life. Piece of nature story. Get a youth story. Hey. Took a trip from the country, reaching Kingston City, yeah. On my musical rail. Did not have a place to stay, but no boy could never touch nature but Rastafari, me say, singing for the trying man, trying woman, working for a better situation, trying man and trying woman, working hard for a solution. And Mama Africa, Mama Africa, I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? Let your feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? But I hope that you hear these words. Your praise can do. Your praise can do. Listen up, man. Eradicate the spirit. Welcome to them. Mama, 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 papa, papa, sister, brother. Looking up, look up. The system got to change. The shit still need to be rearranged. Whoa, whoa. Hey, this is nature. Listen up. Don't you know? Talking about the revolution. I feel like evil spirit there, sir. Move! Don't move! When I say I bless the people there. Mama, 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 papa, papa, sister, brother. Hey, look, yeah. The shit still got to change. The shit still got to be rearranged.